All right, well, good day, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer thing. I'm here with Mr. Sage and myself, Rob, and we are with the Tenere 700 and the MT-07. And this is what this one is all about. Riding the MT-07. It is going to be in FPV mode, so I'm going to keep myself quiet and I'm not going to talk. So we're going to take a look around, get on, and ride. Head over, you can follow the map. It will take us to where we need to go. It's only a couple of kilometers down the road, I think. 13 minutes down the road, only 13 kilometers. So let's do a small ride. So here we go, MT-07.
Enticing. Can't help but keep you around. No need to fight it, yeah. 'Cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you.
I wish you got to personalize it yourself, and you got to add in the levers and stuff like that there. So, but overall, the MT-07 for 2022 is actually a really nice bike. It is actually a very smooth, understanding bike, a good beginner bike, intermediate bike, everything bike, right? It's a perfect balanced motorcycle that it just allows you to enjoy, have fun, and it's very forgiving, and that's the nice thing about it, right? So anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to leave any comments, and again, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. Till next time, guys, be safe, have fun, be good, and don't forget, keep it covered. All right.